Good day everyone and welcome to my movie review of the 2020 movie Birds of Prey. Birds of Prey is directed by Kofi Ann, written by Christina Hodgson, starred Margot Robbie as Harley Quinn, Riley Priest as Renee Montoya, Mary Elizabeth Whitson as Huntress, Johnny Smallwood Bell as Black Canary, and Ewan McGregor as Roman Sulist. The plot of the film is, after splitting with the Joker, Harley Quinn joins superheroes Black Canary, Huntress, Renee Montoya to save a young girl from an evil crime lord. Well, all I can say is this is one hell of a fun movie. Very well choreographed, very well nice stunts, good acting from all the actors that I mentioned. Nice musical, yes. And this movie, it's a rating, but of course in here in Australia, it's rated MA for, for the strong violence and language. Because when a young girl, a pock picker, still a gem, this is from the gem that was supposed to go to the Crown Lord, what's he, so, Sonoris, who is the Black Mask. Everything goes to hell. He put out a 500,000 bounty on her head. It's good, or bounty hunters and other type of people who are in the crime industry go after this young girl. Like I mentioned, this film is full of great fight scenes. It's very well choreographed, very well. Each fight scenes, it's I found actually Mrs. Score in the film actually quite enjoyable. It really sits the film nicely. It was actually, some fight scenes felt like you're watching John Wick. Of course, I heard that it's one of the director who did the fight scene for John Wick 3, I believe, or John Wick 3 did the directed those fight scenes, and they've done very well, and they call a lot throughout the film. And with the bad guy, Roman Sulist, he says, I really thought I actually did his musical for him very menacing to suit his character. It sounded like the type of music to suit a bad guy. Very done, very well indeed. Actually, this movie showed a lot of good bloody violence. We have one body that explodes at the end of the film. That's probably the most bloodiest part we see in the movie. When Harley Quinn using this metal baseball bat, we see bones get broken and stuff. Where she's belting the crap out of people. The fight scene, against Roman Sulist's man. This is when he put the bird mask on. When she joined up with the birds of prey, which she called Black Canary, the Huntress, and Renee Montoya, how they pronounce the name correctly. Actually, they're actually quite solid. Once again, very well choreographed, good stunts, and brutal as hell. funny part of the film is how Harley Quinn is narrating the film. Most of the things she said are actually quite laughable, really. It actually fit the film quite well, how she was narrating the film. And of course, when she broke the fourth wall, that was actually quite interesting. She ended it a few times, but when she did it was actually quite laughable. Of course, Black Mask was quite a menacing villain. He's in a good share of the film. He owns a club, but at the same time, he was very menacing. Of course, I've already mentioned he put out a $500,000 bounty on that girl who stole the gem. She more swallows it. Of course, no one can get to it. Like say, let something to make her bow run, or what they mentioned throughout some part of the film, cut her open, get it out. Of course, that nothing really happened. The Hunter character is actually quite sad, really. Her whole entire family gets murdered by some crime lord. So she comes to Huntress. She sets out to kill everyone who killed her family. Of course, when she gets the final guy is like a second in charge person to the Black Mask. Of course, when she gets him, she decides to leave. Of course, when they mention we need her help, so she decides to stick around and help him out. Black Canary, she's a singer. She's more she becomes the next driver for the Black Mask. Helps him out, but she betrays him. She's more helping out the cop, Renee, telling her what's going on and stuff. This movie actually very well made. Then the bad thing about the film is the movie's rather slow at first. But it's just to help to build each character. To build, each one introducing nicely into the story. Movie goes over the place a bit, and there's also a lot of back and forth as well. Because, Harley narrating the film. One, is in the present, then goes back to the past to tell what's going on. Yes, like I mentioned, each cast member did the job well. Harley Quinn as Margaret Robbie is solid. I really like Ian McGregor as the Black Mask. Of course, Mary Elizabeth Winstead as Huntress did a good job. Johnny Smollett Bell as Black Canary, she also did a good job. Of course, we got the villain, Ian McGregor. Wow, he's so menacing, and he did the job extremely well. This movie's a lot of fun. Great action scene and very well choreographed. So, my overall score for Birds of Prey will be a 9 out of 10.